Hi, I built an app to see if you and your date are actually compatible. The idea is simple. You choose a set of questions people normally avoid, and hopefully through conversation, you'll build intimacy and find deal breakers. I think it's important to have these conversations early on because
making sure that y'all are like aligned on the big things is like so important.
You're married and then you have the conversation, then what?
If I bring up something that I think is interesting, I would hope that they'd want to engage in it with me.
But if I'm coming to you with joy and you're meeting that with indifference, start to avoid having those conversations with you, which will probably lead to me avoiding conversations in general, which will probably eventually end whatever kind of friendship or relationship we have.
I guess reciprocation then.
They would just talk for a while. They would just keep talking, and I feel like they haven't asked me a single question.
I'm not the only one who's trying to plan stuff.
If I'm doing that for you and you're not doing that for me, nah, that's not gonna work.
romance isn't dead. You're just choosing people who don't care if it's alive or not.
Continue to court your partner, basically. Planning a date, a little handwritten note.
That paying attention, the care.
I think a lot of people kind of just like put it off. They're like, oh, that was the honeymoon phase, that's how we were.
Maintaining romantic gestures. I think this is a point where a lot of the time men fail.
They're just like so weakened by this insecurity. Like, I feel like they just can't bear to see like a successful woman or who's like confident.
I'm not like a thirst trapper guy.
Instead of rewatching hours of footage, I used Skyworks meeting minutes feature to transcribe everything. It analyzed the conversations and helped me create a list of the right kind of questions to ask.
So people love personalized questions, actually.
Oh, are you going to therapy?
What do you have the capacity for?
Anything around conflict.
The way that you talk to each other.
So I'm like, are you flight or fight? Like, how would you handle this situation?
Let's say you unintentionally hurt the other person and then they do something in retaliation. Nah, I don't like that. Like that.
Like, I want you rather to be blunt with like all your opinions and feel upset. I want you to tell me right away at the moment.
Then like ghost me, because that ghosting always feels bad.
I designed everything in Figma, then developed it using Skywork. If you're somebody with long meetings, big projects, or random ideas, Skywork AI is an amazing productivity agent that lives on your phone. So if you want better connections and conversations, my new app is in my bio. Let me know if you would actually use this on a date.
Yo, what's up, Shadi?